Hello dear viewers. Welcome to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Whether you're into DIY or just love the natural charm of wood, you're in the right place. Every day, we bring you easy-to-follow projects that turn plain pieces into beautiful home accents. In today's video you are looking into the beauty of wooden serving trays, stylish home essentials. So grab your tools or just some inspiration and let's get started. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. Wooden serving trays are among the most versatile and timeless home accessories, blending both function and beauty in a way that few other items can. They serve as essential tools for entertaining, organizing, and even decorating. Whether you are hosting a dinner party, looking to spruce up your coffee table, or simply want to add a rustic or elegant touch to your home, a wooden serving tray can serve multiple purposes in style. These trays come in various shapes, sizes, finishes, and designs, making them adaptable to any home decor theme, from farmhouse to minimalist, coastal to industrial chic. One of the most popular ideas for wooden serving trays is to use them as breakfast-in-bed trays. There's something inherently cozy about enjoying a warm breakfast on a beautiful wooden tray. These trays often come with handles and a flat, sturdy surface to support bowls, cups, and plates. You can personalize the experience by adding a linen napkin, a small vase with a flower, or even a book. Beyond breakfast, wooden trays are also ideal for serving snacks and drinks to guests. Whether it's a tea party with delicate teacups and pastries or a casual gathering with wine and cheese, a wooden tray offers a warm, inviting presentation. Some trays are compartmentalized to help organize food items, while others have raised edges to prevent spills and slips. Another creative idea is using wooden trays as centerpiece foundations on dining or coffee tables. A rectangular or round tray can anchor a grouping of candles, books, vases, or decorative figurines. The tray itself can be a statement piece, perhaps made of reclaimed wood, intricately carved, or painted with geometric patterns. Some people like to use trays as seasonal decor bases, switching out items according to the holiday or season. For instance, in the fall, a tray could hold pumpkins, pine cones, and warm-colored candles. In the spring, fresh flowers, pastel accents, and Easter eggs. This keeps the space dynamic and fresh throughout the year. Wooden serving trays also make excellent organizers. In kitchens, a tray can hold oils, spices, and small jars in a tidy group, making cooking both efficient and stylish. On bathroom counters, a wooden tray can be used to hold perfumes, lotions, and soaps, adding a spa-like feel to the space. On bedside tables, trays can corral books, glasses, remotes, and even a small lamp, keeping clutter at bay and enhancing aesthetics. DIY wooden serving tray ideas are increasingly popular, especially among crafters and home improvement enthusiasts. With some basic materials like plywood, handles, stain, and sealant, you can make a custom tray that suits your style perfectly. You can add personal touches such as hand-painted designs, decoupage art, stenciling, or even epoxy resin coatings for a glossy finish. Some DIYers incorporate rope handles, leather straps, or metal accents to give the tray a rustic or industrial twist. You can also experiment with wood-burning tools to etch designs or quotes into the surface. Monogramming is another trendy personalization technique that makes the tray feel uniquely yours or makes it a meaningful gift. Speaking of gifts, wooden trays are perfect for weddings, housewarmings, anniversaries, or birthdays. A handcrafted tray, especially one that includes a meaningful design or personal message, shows thoughtfulness and effort. You can even create themed gift trays, like a coffee tray with mugs and beans, or a spa tray with bath salts and a candle. In terms of design, wooden serving trays can be tailored to match any theme. For a coastal or beach-style look, opt for trays made of driftwood or light-washed wood, paired with nautical rope handles. Farmhouse-style trays often feature distressed wood, metal accents, or whitewashed finishes. Modern trays tend to have sleek lines, matte black or brass hardware, and minimalistic features. Bohemian-style trays may include hand-painted patterns, mandalas, or bright, earthy colors. You can also find eco-friendly options made from reclaimed wood or sustainably harvested timber, which adds a layer of environmental consciousness to your home styling. Trays with built-in compartments or nesting trays that stack inside one another add to their practicality, especially in homes where space saving is important. Wooden trays also make great bases for portable bars. If you don't have space for a bar cart, simply load a large tray with cocktail essentials, bottles, shakers, glasses, and garnishes, and you've got a mobile mini bar that can move from the kitchen to the living room or even outdoors. Similarly, for picnics or outdoor entertaining, wooden trays are sturdy and easy to carry, and they lend a natural, organic look that pairs beautifully with outdoor settings. You can even add legs to your tray for a foldable tray table, perfect for laptops, meals, or crafts in bed or on the couch. For kids' rooms, trays can be a fun way to organize craft supplies, snacks, or small toys. Painted in fun colors or with chalkboard surfaces, they add both utility and playfulness. If you're into upcycling, consider repurposing old furniture pieces into wooden trays. A cabinet door can be transformed into a tray by sanding, staining, and attaching handles. Vintage wooden frames can be turned into elegant trays with the addition of a base panel and a protective finish. This sustainable approach not only gives old materials a new life but also adds character and story to the item. You can also find antique wooden trays at flea markets or thrift shops and refinish them to suit your taste. Add felt pads to the bottom to protect surfaces, or attach non-slip rubber grips if the tray will be used frequently. Lighting can enhance the ambience of a wooden tray setup as well. A tray placed under a soft lamp or near candles highlights the wood grain and adds warmth to the environment. You can even attach fairy lights around the edge of a larger tray for a magical effect, especially if it's being used as a decorative piece for parties or romantic evenings. Incorporating natural elements like pebbles, shells, or dried flowers into your tray decor can bring the outdoors in and create a calming vibe. The texture of the wood complements natural items beautifully and makes the tray feel like part of the environment. When selecting a wooden serving tray, consider the type of wood. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut are durable and often have rich grain patterns, making them ideal for everyday use and long-lasting appeal. Softer woods like pine may be more affordable and lighter in weight, making them great for decorative purposes. Bamboo is another popular option due to its sustainability and resistance to moisture. If the tray will be used with food or drinks, make sure it's sealed properly with a food-safe finish to prevent staining or warping. Trays with raised edges or carved-in grooves add functionality by keeping items in place and minimizing spills. Aesthetically, a wooden tray can either blend into the background or stand out as a focal point. A monochrome space can benefit from a richly stained wood tray for contrast, while a bold room might need a more neutral tray to balance the visual weight. Mixing materials can elevate the tray's look. Wood paired with marble, resin, glass, or metal can create stunning contrasts and elevate the perceived value of the item. Don't be afraid to layer textures and shapes when styling a tray. Placing a round tray on a square ottoman, for instance, can soften the look and add visual interest. In commercial settings like cafes, restaurants, or boutique hotels, wooden trays are used for serving food and drinks, displaying products, or even holding the bill and receipt in a stylish way. The tactile nature of wood adds a handcrafted touch that guests notice and appreciate. These trays can be customized with logos, engravings, or brand colors to reinforce branding while maintaining elegance. The warmth and sophistication of wooden serving trays also make them a great addition to professional photography or social media content creation, especially for food bloggers, stylists, or interior designers. A beautifully arranged tray can instantly elevate a photo, whether it's showcasing a meal, a morning coffee ritual, or a curated lifestyle scene. Wooden serving trays offer endless possibilities, both functional and decorative. Their ability to adapt to different purposes, aesthetics, and settings makes them a must-have in any home. From classic and refined to rustic and quirky, there's a wooden tray idea for every personality and occasion. Whether bought from a store, thrifted, or made by hand, these trays reflect craftsmanship, thoughtfulness, and the enduring appeal of natural materials. They don't just serve food, they serve style, comfort, and creativity. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we're all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.